Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook keeps closing on iPhone. So first, completely close the Facebook app. So swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause, or double press the home button on older iPhones. Then swipe Facebook away to force close it. Open the app again and check if the problem is fixed. Now, if Facebook is still crashing, restart your iPhone. So press and hold the side button with either volume button, then slide to power off. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on and try opening Facebook again and see if that works. Next, make sure your Facebook is up to date. So open the App Store, then search for Facebook and scroll down to see available updates. If Facebook has an update button, tap it to install the latest version. You should also check for an iOS update, so open Settings, scroll down and go to General, then go to Software Update. If a new version of iOS is available, click Update Now or Install. So, software updates often include bug fixes that can stop apps from crashing. Another thing to try is checking your internet connection. So, open Settings, then go to Wi Fi, then switch between Wi Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it off again. So, an unstable connection can sometimes cause Facebook to close unexpectedly. Now, if the issue continues, reinstall the Facebook app. So, again, open Settings. Again. Now, if the issue continues, reinstall the Facebook app. So, press and hold the Facebook icon, then tap Remove App, then tap Delete App, then tap Delete again to confirm the action. Once deleted, open App Store, then search for Facebook and download Facebook again, then sign back into your account and see if that works. And that's basically it. So, one of these solutions should fix Facebook if it keeps closing on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.